Hi everyone, Kale Hope here, and today I'm doing my JV affiliate marketing promotions video for March 2018. So in this video series, I'm doing this for several reasons. The first one would be because I believe that providing a behind the scenes look into what I'm doing provides more of an intimate look into what I'm doing and gives more insight. It also completely eliminates in the BS that people are accustomed to. So instead of trying to just do a review of a product and send a bunch of email to my list, what I'm doing is essentially starting before I have to compete with other marketers. So in this industry, I get to show you what I'm up to, how I find offers that I feel are worth promoting, and also in that process I get to provide some tips and tricks. We get to look at things before seeing the sales page. We get to see what is coming down the pipeline so that you're excited and have time to figure out whether it's a good buying decision for you or your business. Kicking off the month of March 2018, I'm looking at a product called Videze, which is coming out by Miah and his partner John Gibb, which are two established marketers in this industry. And this launches at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The front end price is $47. One thing that I really like about this is that it is in the video niche of internet marketing products. So let's go ahead and take a look at the JV page. The first thing that stands out to me about Videze is how professionally constructed the JV page is. Now, I believe that this product will be ideal for anyone doing video marketing or that perhaps wants to get into video marketing, because video marketing is very big right now and has been over the last couple of years. Now, the features and benefits of Videze include live action animated videos. You can do kinetic uh, typography, epic animated logos. You can do explainer videos as well as whiteboard videos, and you can also do slideshows and promotional videos as well. Next up, I'm looking at a launch coming out by Donovan, and the reason why I chose her and this particular product being ShopAbot is because I've had a lot of success in my niche sites with her products in the past. So one of the products that I used in the past has been her Viral Loop 2.0 products. And with the Cleverbot system being a type of bot, those were great themes and bots to completely automate a lot of my niche sites. So I have no doubt that promoting for Cindy would be ideal for this type of niche building sites here. So this one is a new viral Amazon store builder, and it comes out on March the 15th, 2018 at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is a software, and what I can say about Cindy Donovan is she always over delivers. She goes above and beyond. Okay, so I'm on the JV page of ShopAbot by Cindy Donovan, and the first thing I want to do is go right to the features and benefits. And the reason why is because I know that Cindy over delivers, like I said, and packs a ton of features and benefits into each and every one of her products. So let's scroll down to the features and benefits. Okay, so I'm not going to go over what ShopAbot is because I've already explained what that is, but essentially what you're doing is setting up Amazon stores and pumping a ton of viral traffic into it, and it's going to be an automated process. So your viral landing pages are 100% optimized to go viral, and this compels your visitors to share access perfectly tailored to them. So you can do this with giveaways, or they can win prizes that you're offering. So a couple features and benefits of this is that there's no need to import or update products. And I know that you may have seen a lot of different store builder software and bots out there, but I guarantee that with Cindy's, she goes above and beyond, and you'll find a lot in there with some unique features that are proven to work and that over deliver with so much value versus a lot of the competitors out there. She doesn't compete, she dominates, okay? And that's one thing that when I'm looking for someone who really over delivers and adds a lot of value, and honestly I've dealt with her, and she as both a customer and just interacting with her, she's on her blogs, for example, she's given so much free value in that, and with her products, I mean, she just is a delight to deal with as well. So the other things that I've noticed here on this page is that uh, your ShopAbot store updates automatically in real time and directly from Amazon. Now, this is a cloud-based store builder, so the stores are completely hosted by them, so you don't have to invest in hosting. Or if you want, you can click to connect your own domain through them as well. And it's easy to customize. You get to choose your focus niche and then let the viral traffic start taking over. So this is proven by a big seller, and you are going to go viral on these. Uh, and it has a 90-day Amazon affiliate cookie, so that ensures that you don't miss out on any possible opportunity to get tons of sales for this. Okay, so at this time you're probably thinking, you're only promoting two offers? Like, what the frig? And the truth is that, yeah, it's about quality, not quantity, okay? Like I said, you can't promote everything. And honestly, these are spaced out really well. I trust the people that I want to promote for. And not only that, but because of where it's so spaced out between the different launches, it means that I'm not hammering everyone with, oh, I just promoted this. Now check out this and buy this too. And not only that, but there's also the fact that because there's so much time in between, that gives me more of a chance to do other things, such as publish more blog posts, work on my niche sites, promote something that I would like to do, such as it could be as a past affiliate offer. It could be product that I want to promote as a reseller. It could even be working on my own launch. There's 6 or half a dozen different things all on my plate, and no matter how early I get up or how late I go to bed, there's never enough time in the day, and we're all set to the same 24 hours in a day. So I do what I can with what I have. And that's what you need to do. Figure out what you want to do. I do this well in advance. So today is February the 25th, 2018. So instead of dogpiling on with all the other markers that are trying to get in at the last minute, I am doing this well in advance. I schedule all my content out. I figure out what I want to do, and I put a game plan. I put that game plan into action, and that is what makes me successful, and that is why you should let me promote for you. Thank you for your time.